Oh, hey there. I just got these. There's a few things here I wanted to get done. I'm just not, I don't think I'm going to have time in the morning to do a whole lot of things. So if I make sales overnight, it'll just be too much in the morning. So I'll take care of these. Had a full day at work today at the post office. So I'm just going to get this stuff all shipped up here quick. So we just got these these didn't sell for a lot, like 8.29 I think they sold for. So we're just gonna plus that. I'm pretty sure that's plus shipping. I'm not positive though. They sold on, I don't know if they sold on Etsy or eBay. I'm not sure. I think it might have actually been eBay. Put them in a bag, and then I think one of these poly mailers will do. Yeah, there we go. That's cool. That'll work. That works for me. And I got bad news today about that job. Saturday I have to go in at 5:30 in the morning, and then all next week I got to be there at 5:30 in the morning. That's gonna about kill me. I am not a morning person. That's gonna be tough. I will have to adapt. I'll have to overcome. I have to stretch myself out, as I told my daughter when she was getting promoted and stuff at different stores. I said, just gonna stretch you out. I'm just gonna stretch you out. So hopefully I'm just getting stretched out. Of course, I'm just temporary. I'm just holiday. And they didn't end up keeping their holiday clerks last year, which was surprising. At least that's what some folks have said. So ain't no guarantees. Maybe I won't want to stay anyway. So I got stuff to do. I got stuff to sell on eBay and Etsy and Mercari. So I've got that. I'm having fun though so far. Having fun. It's kind of neat to see how things work. This is hard. To be honest with you, I mean, I'm getting paid more than I've ever gotten paid at a job before, so that's a bonus. In case you're wondering, the post office is hiring everywhere. Just go to ups.com, scroll to the bottom, click on careers, and get rolling. Alrighty, let's see. That was a blades. I'm just gonna put blad. Alright, next. Okay, I'm gonna cut some cardboard here. 6 of these little pieces of depression glass. It's nice to see. I sold a few pieces out of here, so that's good. I sold plates, dinner plates. These are dessert plates. So I have 6, so I need 5 of these. What else did I sell? I need to slice another box up here. I don't know if I sold any. I think I did have the 6 cups and saucers sold, but then they canceled. So that didn't happen. So, yeah, should be able to get everything I need out of this piece. Alright, let's just scooch this right down there. Pump that off. Oops. Alright, so now I need some newspaper. I mean, not newspaper, let's see, I need one, two, I'm gonna do this. I'm going to, I think I'm gonna slide this over there. I'm gonna cut this down the middle here. And that, 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 that. Cardboard. How did I do that? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's. Oh yeah, yeah, silly boy. I do need another one. That. There, we got all those now. Squish them up a little bit. Okay, and then we need some more of that. I'm going to fold this over again, like this. Flip this over. Yeah, the one guy at the office today was telling me that today's Thursday, and he's already got 70 hours in. I think they need some help, folks. Alright, so we got, that's pretty good right there. I'm gonna get some, bigger bubble wrap. And I'm hoping it's going to fit in a priority. The 8 by 8 by 7. Hoping. So there's that. I don't think it's going to though. That looks too big for this. Yeah, that's not going to fit. So, nope, that won't work. It'll go on one of my 8s though. These are bigger. Then I'll have this, after I do these, Irish Creme glasses over here, I'll be done. Hopefully.
What kind of places are you looking for?
I'm not sure, Siri. I didn't really ask you about that. Okay, let's get a couple of these down in there. Pretty sure that was the last of my air packets. I always say that, but I think this time I mean it. Nope. Well, there's one, kind of 2. None there, none there. Nope, none here. That's it. That's all there is. There ain't no more. Bummer. Well, I think I'm gonna. Oops. I'll just put those in there, and I'll just use some more bubble wrap in here. Okay, got that one done. That's good. Okay, I'm gonna remember that. All right, the Irish Creme glasses. Creme de la Creme. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I can't fold them. That's me in the corner. Yeah, that sounds like me. Who's that kid in the back of the room? All right, those are gonna go into, oh, let's see, not a 12, that's 12/8. What are these? 12/6. Let's go with this one. We'll go with the 8x8 again. I'm gonna get that in there. I think I need a little more in there. That's good. I'm happy with that. Nice and firm. No movement. Good to go on that one. All right, great. Hey, thanks for hanging out. Have a great day. Thanks for giving me somebody to talk to. Bye-bye.